In our previous tutorial on scraping, we showed you how to build a free web scraper using Google Sheets. It was a fantastic solution for automating data collection from simple websites. However, due to the complexity of the modern web, the moment you try to scrape a dynamic site or a portal protected by anti-bot measures, this basic solution hits a wall. Today, we're breaking through that wall. We're going to upgrade our original script into a professional-grade data extraction tool that can handle the challenges of the modern web. Okay, let's see how the new, updated solution works. The columns in the sheet remain the same. Column A is for the URL we want to scrape. In column B, you add the CSS selector. This tells the script which element to extract from the page. And in column C, the result appears. First, we will scrape an Amazon product. We want to extract its title, so the CSS selector for this is title. The next URL is from Idealo.de. This is a very popular German price comparison website. On this site, one product has offers from many different shops, maybe 8 or even 10. My goal is to extract the complete list of prices for this product. This is a good test because both websites, especially the German site, have excellent protection against scraping. With the old scraper, we were not able to extract information from these protected sites. To initiate scraping, simply click the custom menu in our sheet and select Run Scraper. The results will then appear within a few seconds. Okay, here it is. As you can see, this is the title of the Amazon product. And here, you can see the scraper extracted all the offers from the price comparison site. Not just the first one, not the lowest price, but the full list of offers has been extracted. This is how it works. Pretty impressive, right? The improved script can now extract various types of information from protected sites, scrape multiple items, and offers more flexibility, all from within Google Sheets. This makes it a high-end scraper suitable for advanced websites. Okay, as a next step, let's see how you can set up this Google Sheets scraper for yourself. First, go to your Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet file. In the Sheet menu, click on Extensions and then click on AppScript. This will open a new AppScript editor. Next, please go to our related blog post where you can find the script of this scraper. You can find the link to the blog post in the first comment and in the description of this video. Go to that blog post, copy the AppScript code, paste it into your AppScript editor, and click the Save button. To make it work, you have to update two things in this script. First, you need to add a library called Cheerio. This library helps our script read and understand the HTML code of a web page. When the script gets the full HTML of a page, Cheerio makes it easy to find and extract the specific data we want by using a CSS selector. To add this library, click on the plus icon next to Libraries on the left side of the editor. You will need to enter a script ID. To find the Cheerio script ID, open a new Google search and search for Cheerio AppScript. Click on the first result, which is usually a link to GitHub. On that GitHub page, you can find the script ID. Copy the ID, go back to your script editor, and paste it into the script ID field. Click the Lookup button, select the latest version, and then click the Add button. Now the Cheerio library is added. The other thing you have to add is your Bright Data API key. We use this external tool to get the HTML of protected websites. Scraping protected websites on your own is a very difficult task. So, we use third-party providers like Bright Data who can do it for us. Our script works by sending a request to the Bright Data API. Bright Data then gets the HTML from the target web pages for us. They have solutions to bypass anti-bot systems, so they can extract the HTML from all dynamic or protected web pages. To get an API key, first go to the Bright Data website and create an account. After you log in, go to the Proxies and Scraping on the left side navigation. Click the Add button and add a Web Unlocker API. You will first have to set up a zone. A zone is a configuration within their Web Unlocker API that specifies how you want to scrape websites. You don't really need to change the settings for the zone. The default settings are fine to scrape most pages. Some websites are considered premium domains by Bright Data, and they require more effort to scrape. There is a list on their site of which domains are premium. If you are going to scrape one of those sites, you have to enable the premium domains setting. In our case, since idealo.de is considered a premium domain, we need to enable that option as well. After you click Add to create the zone, your API key will be generated. Copy this API key. Now, go back to your script editor and paste the API key into the script. Then, return to the Bright Data website, copy the zone ID, and update this value in your script as well. Click Save, and you are ready. You can now go back to your sheet. Please reload it, then you can give it a try. Just paste a URL into column A, add a CSS selector to column B, and you will see a new custom menu appear in your sheet called Scraper. Click on it, then click Run Scraper. The first time you do this, Google will ask you to grant permissions for the script to work. An authorization required window will pop up. Click the Review Permissions button. You'll need to choose the Google account you're using for this project. Once you select it, depending on your account type, you might see a warning screen that says, Google hasn't verified this app. This is perfectly normal and expected because the script needs permission to access the external API and update your sheet. Review and grant all permissions the script needs and click Continue. Now that the script has the permissions it needs, you can try to run it again and you will see the result in a few seconds. So, to summarize, this upgrade is a really big change. By using a professional service like Bright Data instead of the old method, we have made our simple tool much more powerful. The main advantages are clear. First, it is much more reliable, so you will not have failed requests or missing data. It is also very powerful, so you can easily scrape modern websites that use a lot of JavaScript. It can also get past most anti-scraping protections. And best of all, it is still simple for you. Bright Data handles all the complex work, while you manage everything from your easy-to-use Google Sheet. This new scraper allows businesses to build previously impossible tools, such as reliable price comparison tools for major e-commerce sites, or lead generation from protected online directories. It's also excellent for monitoring news sites, forums, and competitor websites for brand mentions, product launches, or customer reviews. This helps you stay ahead of trends and improve your productivity effectively. You now have a professional level web scraping solution ready to use. This unlocks a whole new world of data and automation possibilities for your business.